Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm really excited to share with you an amazing and super simple way to naturally remove blemishes and brighten your complexion. If you're looking for a natural solution that's effective and easy to make at home, then you're definitely in the right place. We all know how stubborn blemishes, acne scars, and those little pesky dark spots can be, right? Sometimes, no matter what we do, they just don't seem to go away. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you not one, but two incredible natural remedies that you can easily make at home. These remedies are not just good for your skin, they can help you feel more confident as well. We're going to be making two things today. First, a skin whitening face toner, and second, a skin whitening cream. Both of these are formulated with natural ingredients that are known to brighten the skin, reduce dark spots, and give your face a lovely, healthy glow. Let's get started. So, for our first recipe, we're making a skin whitening face toner. The star ingredient here is lemon. You can take one large lemon or two smaller ones. Whatever you have on hand will work just fine. Start by squeezing the juice out of the lemon. Don't worry, we're not going to waste any part of it. The juice itself can be set aside for now or used in any of your favorite homemade face masks. What we really need here is the lemon peel, which is packed with vitamin C. Did you know that lemon peel is amazing for brightening the skin? It contains natural compounds that can reduce age spots and even out your skin tone. Plus, it gives that refreshing, citrusy scent we all love. Now, cut the lemon peel into small pieces so they're easier to work with. Next, take a pan and add the chopped lemon peel. To this, we'll add 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds. Fennel seeds might seem like an unexpected ingredient, but they're actually fantastic for the skin. Rich in copper, magnesium, and zinc, fennel seeds help cleanse the skin deeply, reduce acne, and give it a natural glow. Who knew such a small ingredient could have such a big impact, right? Now add 1 cup of water to the pan. Set it on a low flame and let it simmer. You'll want to stir it occasionally to make sure everything is well combined and the essence of the ingredients seeps into the water. The aroma itself is quite soothing and feels like a mini aromatherapy session. Let it simmer for a few minutes. And once you see that the water has taken on a light, yellowish tint, that's when you know it's ready. Switch off the flame and let it cool completely before moving on to the next step. Once it's cooled down, strain the liquid to remove the solid parts. What we have now is a beautiful, refreshing toner that you can pour into a spray bottle for easy application. This toner will deeply nourish your skin, and with consistent use, you'll notice your skin looking clearer and more radiant. Alright, moving on to our second remedy, our skin lightening cream. For this, we'll again use our infused water as a base. Pour it into a clean pan and add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Make sure to mix it really well so there are no lumps. Cornstarch is a great ingredient, especially for those with oily or acne-prone skin. It helps absorb excess oil and removes impurities like dirt and dust from your pores. Set the mixture on low flame and keep stirring it continuously. This is important because cornstarch tends to clump up when heated. You'll notice it thickening within a few minutes, so just be patient and keep stirring. Once it reaches a creamy consistency, switch off the flame and let it cool. To make this cream even more nourishing for dry skin, add 1 teaspoon of almond oil and about 5 to 6 drops of vitamin E oil. These ingredients are super moisturizing and help repair the skin's natural barrier. Mix everything well until you have a smooth, creamy texture. Our natural, homemade skin whitening toner and cream are now ready to use. Here's how to use them. On a clean, freshly washed face, first spritz the toner and let it dry completely. Then, take a small amount of the cream and gently massage it into your skin. For best results, use this combo twice a day, in the morning and before bed. You'll love how your skin starts to feel more hydrated, soft, and glowing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more natural skincare tips. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.